Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What's Up This Week with CoinHash. Today, I'll be covering some technical analysis and big data that is hinting at a possible Bitcoin price recovery of up to the 40,000 levels and even possibly the 50,000 and 60,000 levels. So if you do not want to miss out on crucial and time-sensitive crypto information, be sure to click on subscribe and the notification bell to never miss out on our weekly updates. So today, I'll be taking a deeper dive into the Wyckoff theory that we've been discussing in the past videos. So what is exactly this Wyckoff theory that everyone's talking about? It's actually a theory created by Richard D. Wyckoff, who was one of the kings of technical analysis in the late 1800s and the early 1900s. So in short, he came up with this Wyckoff theory, which is a technical analysis approach towards navigating the financial markets in relation to demand and supply forces. So this Wyckoff theory has been used to explain the link between market manipulation and the price of Bitcoin. So that's the distribution phase, where we've seen the whales taking profit at these highs of 60,000 before we saw a huge dump on the 19th of May. And in relation to market manipulation, we all knew that the negative news from Elon Musk and the founder of Ethereum has greatly catalyzed this huge dump. The Wyckoff theory also covers the accumulation phase that we could possibly be in right now, where we see news of large institutions and whales scooping up more Bitcoin at these low $30,000 price levels, such as MicroStrategy. So I'll link this article in the description if you're interested to find out more. So I just want to give a quick update on our price prediction for Bitcoin in the previous video. I did mention about a possible head and shoulders forming, and we could see Bitcoin at the low $20,000 levels. I told you to keep a lookout for our neckline, which may act as support, and it actually did. So on the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin's price did actually wick down to the lows of $28,800. But in terms of the daily close, none of the candles actually closed beneath our neckline. So this is a sign that this neckline is acting as great and immense support in the short run. So I don't think we'll see a head and shoulders breakdown for now. And that's why I kept emphasizing to you guys, right, in the past few videos. I said don't sell your Bitcoin or don't sell your crypto at these low prices because it's just not worth it. These prices are hard to come by, especially after a huge run up in the bull market. I'd rather you guys not sell anything right now in the risk of you guys not being able to get back in at these low prices. Okay, so back to the Wyckoff theory. So why do some people believe that we're actually on the road to recovery again? So let's go to the distribution phase chart. So there are two possible charts. However, this is the more similar one to Bitcoin's price action. On the daily time frame, you can see how similar Bitcoin's price is. Here, over here in the past few months, compared to this distribution chart, you can see the highs over here that has formed, just like the highs over here at the $60,000 levels. And we can see these lows over here that is eerily similar to the chart. And of course, we eventually saw this huge dump that we did see on the 19th of May. And after the dump has happened, people now believe that we are in a so-called accumulation phase. And this is the chart that is eerily similar to the current Bitcoin price action in the past few days. Just by taking a closer look in this region of Bitcoin's price, you can kind of see the similarity in the accumulation phase chart, and having a closer look when the Wyckoff accumulation phase chart is mapped out on top of Bitcoin's price, you can see how Bitcoin's price has been following suit closely for the past few months. So this was last updated on 20th of June, and you can see it has followed the chart very nicely so far. And a newer update shows that spring may already have happened and the second retest is happening, which has been confirmed by this third update, where we see this higher low that has eventually seen a recovery like we can see right now at the 34,000 price levels. So just by these three charts where the Wyckoff accumulation phase has been mapped over the Bitcoin's price action, many investors believe that we are bound to see Bitcoin recover back to the highs. Furthermore, on the 1 hourly time frame, we can see this possible W-shaped recovery pattern forming. And this gives the bulls even more conviction that the market is recovering. However, all this bullishness coupled with the positive shift in market sentiment and news in the past few days I won't be surprised if market manipulation is at work again. This recovery is not guaranteed, and let me tell you why. There are investors out there that believe that we are actually not in the accumulation phase right now. Instead, we are still in the distribution zone. So what do I mean by that? Yes, even though the Bitcoin chart has been closely following the accumulation patterns in the past few days, when I zoom out on the daily candles and compare them to the distribution chart, it does look like we might still be in phase D or even the start of phase E. You can see the similarity in the distribution charts over here, which kind of shows that there still might be more downside. And if this were to be true, just by pure technical analysis of a possible head and shoulders forming, everything could be lining up to suggest that a 20,000 Bitcoin price is still possible. So nothing should be ruled out yet. Of course, these are just differing opinions, and I am not a financial advisor, so you should do your own research and have your own convictions. So from the looks of the Bitcoin price action in the past few days, I personally think that this could be a recovery, but I'm also not ruling out the possibility of Bitcoin dropping out further, because that does still seem very likely if we were in a distribution phase. So to sum up this video, if you did buy at the low $30,000 levels, taking some profits at the high $40,000 levels would be a smart move, since we're not out of the woods yet, as a reversal in Bitcoin is not confirmed until Bitcoin can cleanly break the high $40,000 level resistance. And I want to reiterate again to not sell any crypto at these low prices, because if you're in it for the long term, these price ranges are actually so worth it to buy right now. Selling at these lows just increases your risk of not being able to get back in at these prices if the reversal were to happen, which we all cannot predict. But of course, if you're a short-term trader, that is a different story. So what I would personally recommend, and what I actually am doing, is to set buy orders at the low $30,000 levels or even $27,000 levels if you believe that there's a chance that Bitcoin might drop, which I personally believe. After setting these buy levels, you can just hodl the rest of your portfolio. So if it goes up, your portfolio becomes green, and if it goes down, you can manage to fulfill your buy orders at these lower levels. It's a win-win situation in my opinion. And on that note, if you guys are looking to invest in crypto but are unsure and afraid of what to do, you can check out our Crypto Secrets Masterclass at CoinHash, where we provide close guidance and mentorship, teaching you about the technical and fundamental analysis to help you make predictable and profitable trades. Link is in the description. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you do not want to miss out on this time-sensitive and crucial crypto information. And check out all of our social media pages. Go and follow them, and look forward to our Spotify because we will be releasing podcasts soon. So invest safe, guys, and have a nice day.